How do I replace a damaged car door handle? Replacing a damaged car door handle can vary in complexity depending on your vehicle's make and model. Here are general steps to guide you through the process. Keep in mind that it's essential to consult your vehicle's service manual for specific instructions and safety precautions. If you're not comfortable with DIY car repairs, consider seeking professional assistance. Tools and materials you may need. Replacement door handle. Screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead. Pliers. Trim removal tools. Socket and wrench set. Torx or Allen wrenches if applicable. A plastic bag or container for storing screws and parts. Safety glasses and gloves. Step-by-step instructions. Gather necessary tools. Ensure you have all the required tools and materials handy. Disconnect the battery if necessary. Disconnect the vehicle's battery to avoid accidental electrical shocks. Remove the interior door panel. Use trim removal tools or a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off the interior door panel. Locate and remove any screws or bolts holding the door panel in place. Gently lift the panel upward and away from the door frame. Disconnect any electrical connectors for switches or speakers if necessary. Access the door handle mechanism. Once the door panel is removed, you'll have access to the door handle mechanism. Inspect the handle for any visible damage or wear. Remove the handle fasteners. Locate the fasteners securing the door handle in place. These are typically bolts or screws. Use the appropriate tools to remove the fasteners. Keep track of the fasteners as you'll need them for the replacement. Disconnect the door handle rod. Inside the door, there's usually a connecting rod or cable attached to the handle. Disconnect this rod or cable from the handle. Remove the old door handle. Carefully slide or wiggle the old door handle out from the exterior of the door. Install the new door handle. Insert the new door handle in place of the old one. Reconnect the door handle rod or cable. Secure the new handle with the fasteners you removed earlier. Reassemble the interior door panel. Reconnect any electrical connectors. Carefully position the interior door panel back in place. Secure the panel with screws or bolts. Snap any trim pieces or clips back into place. Make sure everything is properly aligned and secured. Reconnect the battery. Reconnect the vehicle's battery. Test the door handle. Test the new door handle to ensure it operates correctly. Open and close the door several times to confirm that the handle works smoothly. Replacing a car door handle can be a DIY project, but it does require patience and attention to detail. If you encounter any challenges or are uncomfortable with any step in the process, it's recommended to consult your vehicle's service manual or seek assistance from a professional mechanic or body shop.